In this video, I want to show you how to restore back the taskbar back to the bottom of your screen. If you look here, this is my taskbar. By mistake, it was brought to this right hand side of my screen, but I prefer it to be at the bottom. If you are experiencing the same, it may be a mistake, but I'll show you how to restore it down. So to restore it down is quite simple and straightforward. What you need to do is to click at any blank space on this taskbar. So just click and drag it to the bottom where you want to be and leave it. So you can see it has been restored back to the bottom of my screen. If you want to restore it back to any side of your screen, so what you do is to click at the blank space on the taskbar and move it to that side where you want it to be. In this case, right hand side, and you can see it has been restored here. So if you want it back at the bottom, click at the empty space or blank space on the taskbar like this and drag it to the bottom or any side of the screen you want it to be. Even if you want it at the top, the same process. So restoring back your taskbar is just a matter of clicking and dragging to where you want it to be. And if you want to restore it back to the bottom, just click and drag it to the bottom. Thank you for watching.